Hey, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Now the topic is what is the car insurance in USA. We are diving into a topic that's critical for every driver in the United States: car insurance. Whether you are a new driver or just curious about how car insurance working in the USA, you are come to the right place. In this video, we shall break down the ins and outs of car insurance, for its importance and different types of coverage to factors that influence your commissions and tips for finding the best policy. So let's break up and get started on unraveling the massacre of car insurance in USA. The importance of car insurance. Car insurance is more than just a legal requirement in most states. It's a safety net that protects you, your passenger, and your vehicle in the case of accident or unforeseen events. In the USA, liability insurance is called mandatory, which cover the costs if you are at fault in an accident that the case injuries or property damage. Additionally, having comprehensive and collision coverage and you can safeguard your vehicle against damage from the various incidents, including theft, vandalism, or neutral discharge. Types of coverage. Car insurance in the USA come in various flavors: liability insurance in the foundation, but there are other types of coverage to consider as well. Concealing coverage pays for repair to your vehicle after concealing, regardless of who's at fault. Comprehensive coverage takes care of non-concealing related damage like hail or a fallen tree. Personal injury protection (PIP) or medical expenses for you and your passenger. Uninsured Uninsured motorist coverage steps in well the at-fault driver does not have enough insurance. Factor affecting premiums. Your car insurance premium is not a one-size-fits-all deal. Serving factors influence how much you pay. These include your driving history, age, gender, and the type of you can drive, your location, and even your creditor source. Your car insurance companies assess the factors to determine the level of risk. Your pose as a driver, younger, experienced driver often pay higher premiums, while safe driving will a clean record much enjoy lower rates. Tips for finding the best policy. Now that you understand the basic, how do you find the best car insurance policy for your needs? Start by shopping around and obtaining a quote for multiple insurers. Look beyond the price tag. Consider the coverage limits, deductibles, and customer review. Bundle your car insurance with other policies like however insurance for potential discounts. Maintaining and a good driver record can also lead to lower premium over time. Remember, the best policy is not necessarily the cheapest one. It's the one that provides the coverage you need when you need it most. Conclusions. And there you have it, a comprehensive otherwise of car insurance in USA. From its importance in protecting you on the road, the values type of coverage available, and the factors that influence your permissions. You have covered a lot of ground. Always remember that car insurance is not just a legal obtaining, it's an investment in your safety and financially well-being. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to click the subscribe like button. Thanks for watching.